Sharp releases new XP-E501U cost-effective laser projector. The Sharp E-Series XP-E501U projector has been unveiled in the US. This model, designed for use in educational settings like a classroom, features a laser light source. It is described as cost-effective, with features like an integrated speaker, dual HDMI ports, and a 1.2x zoom function. Sharp has revealed the new XP-E501U projector in the US. This is the first model in the brand's new E-Series, designed for use in educational settings or any small to medium-sized room. It is described by the brand as a bright and low-maintenance device, offering users a cost-effective display solution. 4K ready. Display stunning 4K content using proprietary high-performance video processing scaling chip without the loss of critical details. Auto power on powers on the projector when a computer signal is detected. Cornerstone correction allows for horizontal, vertical, and diagonal image correction for aligned images, even when the projector is set up at an angle to the screen. Crestron Room View provides unified management, including the ability to switch the power on and off for multiple projectors connected to a network. Dual HDMI inputs with HDCP ensure quick switching between presentations and allows for simultaneous digital connections of high-definition sources. ECO mode extends light source life, lowers audible noise, and reduces total cost of ownership. Edge blending. Blend multiple projectors together to create not standard images landscape portrait capable. Allows for distortion-free display of content in various orientations, creating new application opportunities. Unveiled Administrator 2, control, monitor and manage your display and projector settings in an all-in-one support system with Unveiled Administrator 2. And allows for settings to be updated, tasks to be queried, and reports to be generated using RS-232 or TCP/IP, communication for large screen displays and projectors, or DDC/CI protocol for desktop units. Portrait mode. Ability to install a projector in its side to create a 10:16 portrait image. Power management enables projector to automatically turn off when an incoming signal is not detected from any of the inputs. Remote diagnostics enables the user to monitor and make adjustments to the projector from a remote location. Roll-free installation allows the projector to be rotated freely, 360, in order to point up or down, depending on the installation requirements. Variable audio out adjusts the volume of an external speaker system using the projector's remote control. Wired network connection integrated. RJ45 connection for quick connection to the LAN N10100 Space-T capability. The XP-E501U projector has a WUXGA 1920 by 1200 px resolution, supporting an up to 4K at 30J input. The native aspect ratio is 16:10, though it also supports 4:3, 16:9, and 21:9, and it is said to offer a 3,000,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio. You can use the model to project images up to 300 inches wide with a 1.35 to 1.64 to 1 throw ratio. The image can be adjusted with tools like manual 1.2x zoom and keystone correction. The Sharp LCD projector's blue laser light source is said to deliver up to 5,000 lumens brightness and is expected to run for around 20,000 hours. There is also an eco mode to save energy. For example, the projector will automatically switch off when not in use. Other features include an integrated 16W speaker and a range of ports, including dual HDMI inputs. Plus, it can be managed remotely via the Unveiled Administrator 2 software. The projector can sit on a table or be mounted to the ceiling depending on your space.